Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Ruisseau-à-Rebours, a tranquil hamlet nestled between the sea and the Chic-Choc Mountains, in Quebec's Haute-Gaspésie region. As we drive along Route 132, you'll notice the stunning blend of rugged cliffs, dense forests, and the vast waters of the St. Lawrence River. The name, Ruisseau-à-Rebours, translates to backward stream. While some believe it refers to the meandering course of the local brook, giving the illusion of flowing backward, others suggest it may be named after a land surveyor named Arbor or Harburg. The brook itself stretches approximately 8 kilometers, nestled between the steep slopes of the Chic-Choc Mountains. Settlers began arriving in this area around 1860, drawn by the rich natural resources and the promise of a peaceful life. Today, Ruisseau-à-Rebours remains a haven for those seeking tranquility and a close connection to nature. As we continue our drive, take a moment to appreciate the serene landscapes, the charming homes, and the sense of history that permeates this delightful village.
Thanks for watching!